Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Mitsubishi Lancer. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth, ensuring it's discoverable. Then, find the phone or Bluetooth button on your Lancer's audio system and press it to begin the setup process. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, select the option to Add Device or Pair New Device. Your Lancer system will then broadcast its Bluetooth name, often something like Mitsubishi Hands-Free. On your phone, look for this name in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it to initiate the connection. After selecting the device, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Lancer's screen. Confirm that these codes match to complete the secure connection. Once successfully paired, all audio from your phone, including calls and music, will seamlessly route through your Lancer's speaker system. Enjoy your new hands-free experience. If you encounter any issues during pairing, a simple restart of both your phone and the Lancer's audio system can often resolve them. Additionally, deleting any old or unused pairings from both your car and phone can help clear up connection problems. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.